going to be doing something that is a little bit different, and that is making cupcakes. So these ones are from Aldi and they are the super moist chocolate cupcake mix. I've never tried these before and I'm really excited to. I know that you might have been expecting makeup, but I have mentioned that I'm going to be including some other styles of videos on this channel, which will include vlogs, maybe some cooking, as well as featuring some friends here and there. Also, I'll just add in here really quickly that if you like the makeup that I'm wearing at the moment, I actually filmed it. Not sure if it'll be uploaded yet or not, but if it is, I'll definitely link it below in the description box. Otherwise, stay tuned for it because it'll be coming out soon. So you already know that I'm making cupcakes, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to start out by explaining a little bit about this. And this is my new mix master that my mother bought me for Christmas. It was really lovely of her. I've yet to try it out, so I'm really excited to try it and see how it works. And then for my cases, I'm just going to be using this Multix patty pan foil and paper, little paper patty pan things. And I also have my 12-hole cupcake or muffin tin, and I'm just going to put these into the tin. What? It was white. Deceitful. Have they all got these? Oh my god, they do! That is so cool. Wow, okay. Preheat gas or electric oven with fan to 160 degrees Celsius or without fan to 180. Insert 12 patty cases into muffin pan. Okay, so that means 180 degrees. Place in a large bowl contents of cupcake mix sachet, eggs, milk and soft butter. Using an electric mixer, mix on low speed until ingredients are combined. So I'm going to start by opening this. Aw, cute! It comes with its own little cases. Oh well, I had my own. Okay, I'm just gonna grab scissors. Snip off the corner. Then the recipe calls for 2 eggs. I have already washed my hands before starting this video as well, just by the way. And then it says 3 tablespoons of soft butter. So I'm just using this one today. And I have my tablespoon. Okay, that's pretty soft, so that's good. 1. 3. And then it calls for half a cup of milk. And now we just have to mix it. Now those are ready to put in the oven. So it says to bake those for 15 to 20 minutes. So while they're baking, I'm going to do a bit of a cleanup and then get started on the icing. Okay, so it's time to get them out of the oven, and I'm so excited. And where's my detail? Here it is. So it's time to get them out of the oven now. I'm super excited because I just really want to eat one and I really want to decorate them. So I'm just going to get them out now. So I'm going to be doing the icing now, and I actually found a recipe on Pinterest that I would rather use rather than what came in the box. So the recipe that I found calls for 1 cup of butter to 3 cups of icing mixture. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just using my half a cup to do this because it's what I used before. So I'm just going to fill it up and then put in another half a cup to make 1 cup. That's about 1. God, I hope I've got enough butter. I might not. Whoa. Oh no. I don't have enough butter. Okay, we're halving it. Oh, I love the smell of icing sugar. So that was roughly 1 cup, so I'll do 1.5 cups of the icing mixture. So because I'm still using the half a cup, that means I'll do 3 half cups to make 1.5. So 1 whole cup. 1.5, 3. Cool. And just lock it into place. Little doozy on there. And then there we go. Now I'm just going to add a couple of dessert spoons of cocoa powder. So these are still pretty hot, so I'm going to leave it a little while before I ice them. That's my icing mixture. Okay, so now that my cupcakes have cooled, I have my icing mixture, and I actually ended up with a lot less than I thought I would have. So I'm going to have to use it really sparingly on these cupcakes, but I'm just going to cut a little bit off the top of this, and hopefully my icing mixture is not going to go anywhere. Nope. Okay. And I'm just going to twist that like that. And a little trick that I learned from Cupcake Gemma actually is, it'd be so cool if she actually saw this video, that would be amazing, is that you hold your piping bag up, and I haven't got a piping nozzle in this because I realised that I didn't actually have one. So we're just gonna go round. They can be poo emoji cupcakes. Yeah. definitely glad I made my own icing. I might have overcooked them slightly, I'll admit that, but that's okay. They're still good. So I'm going to stay here and enjoy eating my cupcakes. Ash is going to come home soon, so he's going to be excited to see these and have one after dinner tonight for dessert. What did you think of this video? If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want more baking videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up. You can also put your recipes in the comments below if there's anything that you want me to try and bake. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you do because it would mean the world to me, and you can also hit the notification bell, and then that way you will know every single time that I upload. And thank you again so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and make sure to stay tuned for the